Hi, this is Graham here. I just want to give a quick presentation on how to write equations in Microsoft Word and or PowerPoint. So in your lab books you'll come across questions such as calculate the number of moles in 2.3 grams of sodium chloride. This can be a little bit challenging to do in Microsoft Word as when you're typing it in it's kind of very linear and it's very hard to kind of express exactly what you want. So if we want to kind of get a formula like the one I've wrote previously, kind of for the moles is equal to the weight in grams divided by the weight in grams per mole. So if we want a nice neat formula kind of like this one, what we do is go to the Insert tab on the top and then we click the equation button. So once we click the equation button, a lot of different options open up. So on the left hand side we have the regular kind of multiplication and division signs. We also have different symbols such as alpha and beta, degrees Celsius, which you can use, which come in handy for different equations that you're trying to solve. Kind of on the top right hand side we have the fraction button, so the different type of fractions that you might want to use, and we've differentiation as well down here. We've each the x script, so if you want something subscript or superscript we can use that there. We can also introduce different types of brackets. We can do logs, and we can do much more complicated things such as matrices as well. But we're just going to mainly focus on how to use fractions today. So we just want to type into our box here, so moles is equal to, and we want to click on the fraction button, and we want to use this first kind of fraction here. So what we do is click in the top box of that, and we write in weight in grams, and just below it in the second box we can type in the molecular weight in grams per mole, and you can see we've reproduced the formula nice and neatly right here in the box. So just to continue on and kind of solve the mathematical question right out full, so what we want to do is calculate the number of moles in 2.3 grams of NaCl. So we go back to our insert button, we click on the equation button, and what we want to type in, so moles is equal to, and we want the fraction button again, so we want 2.3, and it is in grams per mole. Oh, sorry, it's 2.3 grams, and we want to put in the sodium chloride here, which is 58.5 grams per mole. So we put that in nice and neatly into the box here. So we can continue on the sum, and what we can actually do is we can draw a line through it. So just to kind of draw that line through, to cancel out the grams top and bottom, we could draw a simple line like that, and we could just move it across. So we can show that they're both cancelling out. And we divide one into the other, so we get moles is equal to 0.3, or 3.0 by 10 to the minus 2 moles. So if we want to write this in superscript, we go back to our insert button, and we click on the equation button, and we go 3.0, and we go x times 10. Sorry, we want to go x times, and we go script, click on this button here, and we put 10 to the minus 2, and here, and go moles. So this is how we'd write something by 10 to the minus 2. And that's our answer finished. If you have any more questions on this, you can always contact me at grahamkelly@rcsi.ie. Thank you for listening.